Hello and welcome back to my channel Soul Journey. My name is Beck, or you may know me as the Expansion Doula. And today I have another plant mail unboxing. My collection gathering has slowed a bit just because in my previous spirit room I had run out of room. And now I'm switching rooms with our bigger room. So I now have more room for plants. Don't mind the mess behind me. Like I said, I am in the process of switching my bedroom and my spirit room. So nothing is in a space where it would be like clean enough to have like a clean background. So just heads up. So this plant I am so excited about. I would probably say this is probably one of the plants that got me wanting to start plant collecting, and I just felt like there wasn't enough sun for it in the room I had. I'm hoping now that I've switched rooms and there's like a lot of good sun in here that this will do well. If not, I've already decided that I will give it to someone else who has the right light requirements, so I'm gonna make sure this baby gets plenty of love. I got this plant from Plant Emporium on Etsy. It's the same people I got my Monstera Deliciosa from, which is doing well as far as I can tell. I think there's some new leaf shoots like starting. I'm really excited. And that one came really well packaged and all that, so I'm really excited. So definitely go over to Plant Emporium on Etsy. Honestly, if you look up any type of plant, they're probably going to come up. They're very popular. They have like thousands of like reviews and everything. So I'm really excited. Now, if you follow me on my other platforms, you may have seen that I was waiting for this package. Like I said, my plant buying has definitely slowed, but this was one that I was like, I need this in my collection. So if you can comment down below what you think it might be. There's no prize, it's just a game. So yeah, so I'm so excited. This, according to the UPS tracker, was supposed to arrive 2 days ago. I ordered it, God, probably like 4 or 5 days ago, I think. And so it's still very good shipping, but I will say that I was waiting with bated breath for it since 2 days ago, so I'm really excited. Hopefully it's in good condition. As you can see, it's a fairly large box. So I'm really excited. So should we open it up? I'm very excited. I'm really hoping that this one does well. I have been looking to get one of these for a while. I'll give you a few hints if you want to guess. Needs a lot of light. It grows fairly large. By fairly, I mean very. And it is kind of, well, I don't know if it is. No, I feel like it is. I think like a lot of like plant people are kind of covetous of this plant. Because it does take up so much room, and here's a hint for all of you plant fanatics. One of the really big plant people has one of these and everyone like loves it. I don't know if that's giving too much away. Probably not for people who don't follow a bunch of plant people. But yeah, so let's see here. This is harder than it looks. Okay, I hope I'm getting like the right. Okay, here we go. Oh my god. I am so freaking excited about this. Like I said, I've been literally, like usually with packages these days, I can be pretty chill about waiting. My other plants, I was pretty like, yep, I know when they're coming. Like I don't need to worry about it. This one, I was a little more, because I've been scoping it out like for so long. It's kind of hard to find these smaller. Oftentimes they're sold a little bigger, and so they can be a little pricey. So when I saw this, I was very excited because it was actually very reasonably priced. You know, they can go from like upwards of like, you know, several $100s or whatever, depending on how big they are, obviously. But most of the time, if you get a small one, it could be like $30, $40. I got this one for like $15. And the only reason I was like, man, this is really well packaged, which I'm okay with. I'm okay with because Plant Emporium does have such like a good reputation. So I'm not like concerned about it being like a bad plant if, you know, because of the price. Oh my God. I'm so excited. As far as I know, this comes with a pot. I don't know if you guys can see the top of those leaves. Trying not to stab anything. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Okay, no problem. Oh, it actually seems to be doing pretty well. It is in a little pot. So can you guys tell what it is yet? All right, there is some dirt. So let me do this. No, there's some dirt in that. Okay. Let's see if I can. I don't know why. You know what? I'm vacuuming this room anyway today, so I don't know why I'm worried about it. Okay. I am so excited. I know I keep saying that, but I can't help it. Oh, they got a little business card in here. That's super cute. Quick care tips for your blah blah blah. Oh, I won't say what it is. Alright, here she is. Oh my God, it's a fiddly fig. Oh my God. Or Ficus lyrata. Alright, the pot is a little squished. They did say if there was a little bit of browning on the leaves or whatever, that's okay. That's natural. It does look a little unhappy, but that's totally fine. Oh my God, can we just... Oh my God, it's so beautiful. Look at this giant, like even this leaf right here. Oh my goodness. Alright, so I'm going to try to open this up. There's a lot of tape on here, so let's get this baby out, and I'll put it in a bigger like cash pot. I've heard cash pot and cash pot, either one. So I feel like Summer Rain knows better just because she's so like aware of plants. It's like her thing. Oh, and it was Summer Rain who has the giant fiddly fig in her place. All right, here it is. All right, it's already got some roots coming out the bottom, so it'll definitely need to be repotted once I give it a few. The dirt's not super wet, so I'll definitely give it a little bit of a watering. Wow. Yeah, and the leaves are a little wilty. And got a few holes in it, but that's okay. There we go. I am the owner of a fiddly fig. This does say, quick care tips. Yes to bright indirect light from your brightest window. See? Being a little dry between waterings. Tons of humidity. Okay, cool. And a warm and cozy home. No to low light, overwatering, drafts, poor drainage. Your fig is a greenhouse grown plant, so mimicking its natural environment for the first month is essential. Okay, cool. So this is my little baby. Should we name her? It looks pretty good. These people are like really on their plants, so there's probably no bugs or anything on here, but I will definitely give it a little once over. But everything looks fairly good. So this is technically a fiddly fig bush versus a tree, but according to everyone I've asked or like looked up, it's basically the same thing. It's just about how you prune it. So there's actually like 2 little branches here, so we'll see how that goes. It's gonna go right over here, which I'll show you, in this corner where basically I get the best light in the room. It does get a little direct light in the afternoon. I know it can have like, you don't want too much direct light on the plant. It can burn, but like it's not a very long exposure by any means. And if it's looking unhappy, I'll move it. But anyway, what should we name her? comment down below. What should we name the fiddly fig? I don't know why. I don't name my plants, but I just feel like she needs a name. Figurina. Should it be Figurina? Comment down below if there are any names that you think the fig should have. Figgy. It's a little too on the nose. Anyway, so I'm so excited. She's so beautiful. It looks like I'd actually found a Ficus lyrata, two actually, in a greenhouse, and there was all these like black dots underneath, like, and I wasn't feeling like they were super healthy. It was just a vibe, because everyone I'd seen before that like didn't have that. And there are a few brown spots on here, but apparently that's normal. So I know it's not supposed to be touched too much, so that was something Summer Rain said, the more she like touches the leaves, the more kind of unhappy they are. So I am going to try, once I'm done with this video, to stop touching it. And yeah, I will definitely update you guys. I hope it works out well. Like I said, this plant means a lot, so I'm definitely going to rehome it if it's not doing well. That's my goal. And I feel like I should have that for all of my plants. I feel like that'd be good. My mom has rehomed plants to me that weren't doing well. Of course, it was a begonia, and it was already so close to dead that I was not able to save it, which I was really sad about. By the way, Mom, if you're watching, it did die. I haven't told her. But it had like 2 leaves left, and they were super unhappy, so I'm not surprised. But anyway, wish me luck. I'm so excited. This is a dream. This thing literally gets to be like 6-7 feet tall, if not more. Like, way more. It can be giant. It's a tree. It's a tree. I have a tree. I have 2 trees now. 3? 2. I have a ficus, just a normal ficus with like the little leaves like this, and now I have a Ficus lyrata. And so they're both trees. And then I do have this like giant Dracaena over here, which I don't know if it's supposed to be an actual tree, but it's getting to that height. So anyway, I will keep you posted. Hopefully we will be lifelong friends. That's so exciting. All right, thank you guys. I'm a little in love, can you tell? So thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely comment down below if you like these plant videos. I'm still debating whether I want to start a plant channel. So comment down below if you're subscribed to me and you like seeing the plant videos. If that's something you really enjoy, I'll keep it here on this channel. If not, maybe I'll start a separate channel so that all my plant people can go over there. My goal is to kind of have like different days be for like different themed stuff. So like Fridays is for readings, Mondays is for spiritual stuff, and then Wednesdays is more lifestyle stuff. So if that's something you like and you kind of want to see all of the different aspects of what I'm doing, let me know. It's good if I get feedback, because I'm kind of like on the fence about it. So if you guys can like kind of be like, yes, I like this, or no, I don't, that is really good. Not by thumbsing it, you know, thumbs up and down, but just like comment down below, let me know your thoughts, with love of course, and definitely give it a thumbs up if you liked the video, and hit subscribe if you want to see more videos like this in the future, for sure. And if for some reason I do decide to move the plant stuff to another channel, I'll definitely let you guys know. But anyway, you're beautiful and I love you. These leaves can literally get up to like that big. I'm like freaking out, like bigger. They're like giant. So you're doing so well, little plant. Welcome to our family. So thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely check out my links down in the description to my other platforms. I also have an Etsy shop where you can get personal readings from me and other kind of spiritual soul journey tools. Yep, I think that's it. I'm gonna go put this baby where she belongs. Thank you guys so much for watching. Many blessings. Namaste. And don't forget, it is all about the soul journey.